Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this Febreze plug-in air freshener. So this keeps my room smelling fresh for days. Let's show you all what the package looks like. So no dyes, no, I don't know how to pronounce that, and no no harmful chemicals, it looks like. And this is a plug-in, so we'll linen and sky with low level indicator light. That's cool. All right, let me show you all what it looks like to open up one of these. All right, so that's what it looks like from this view. Febreze. You can control the strength here. So I'll put it on minimum for now. Then the outlet plug. So that's it. Then you have the plug this in here, and I'll remove the tops, and that's pretty much it. Hope you all enjoyed. Hope you're doing well. See you all next time. Bye.